Welcome to our lesson about the face fillet. Let's start by activating the fillet tool. Choose the face fillet type. Here I'm going to select a first face, then a second face. Let's increase the radius value and accept. Let's activate the fillet command again. Now I'm going to select the first face. Now the second face. And let's accept. Okay, right-click on Fillet 2, select Edit Feature. Let's expand Fillet Options. Let's look at the Hold Line option. Click in the box to activate it for selection, and let's select this line. Notice I no longer have an input area for the radius. Okay. We're going to be learning more about the face fillet in our subsequent lessons. This concludes our lesson about the face fillet.